How to unblock Instagram on my laptop. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to unblock Instagram on my laptop. First of all, open your web browser. Here, search Instagram. Tap on Menu for more at the bottom of your Instagram page. Go to Settings. Tap on Who can see your account. In Privacy and Security Help, click on Support. In customizing your experience, click on Blocking Accounts. Click on Block or unblock someone on Instagram. Read the instructions as click arrow or message on the left. Click the chat with the person you want to block or unblock. Click on Block or Unblock, then click again to confirm. Now go back to the home page. Click on Messages on the left column. Search a person's profile you want to block or unblock. Click on Unblock. You can also block them anytime from their profile as well. Tap on three dots to block them again. That's how you can unblock someone on Instagram. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.